Good morning and welcome to the weekly vlog. I am shooting this on Friday my dad has some land in the middle of nowhere in the middle of Oregon, and my brother is over here building a shed type thing, the first building on the land. My dad just usually camps out here, and I am here for a couple nights. So, last week I shared flying to Grants Pass. I've been hanging out in Grants Pass first with Jay and my parents, and then Jay went home on Tuesday, and now it's just been me hanging out in Grants Pass. My brother came to camp here, so we're camping here for a couple nights. We're in a national forest. The smoke, if you can see how kind of foggy it is because there are so many fires here. So Grants Pass, I shot a couple videos around Grants Pass. It's surrounded by beautiful mountain ranges. You can't even see them. The smoke is so bad. And you can see here, the smoke is getting kind of bad. So that's been my week. I haven't done any work really. Worked a little bit on the computer at Rogue Roaster the other day, doing some like really boring stuff I knew that I would put off in my normal work day. So that's it. I usually use vacations like this to like boil down to what I just need to do and just do the basics. But this week I did a lot of stuff ahead of time so that I didn't really have to do anything here. And what I have worked on are things that are like projects for next week when I feel inspired. Have a great week.